ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, teacher. Present, ma'am.
Good morning, children. I am Mahesh Ballari, representing Diet of Koppal district. This is English class of standard 10th for third language children. Dear children, I feel honored to have been the opportunity to discuss with you on the allotted topic of your syllabus. Dear children, before beginning the fourth unit, which is related to your third language English, I would like to show you an image which is already appeared on the screen. Please look at the image. And I hope that all of you definitely will understand, definitely will identify what kind of the image it is. Look at the image. You can identify the images with the help of many things appeared on the screen. You can see there are mics. You can see one is playing tabla, one is playing veena, two are singing, one is supporter. There is a dais, there is a screen. Of course, it is the image of screen. While looking at the image, I would like to share you few things about the music. Dear children, do you know Bismillah Khan? Bismillah Khan is related to Shahnai, a great musician of India. A.R. Rahman is popular for tabla. Hariprasad Chaurasia is popular for flute. Ravi Shankar, Bhimsen Joshi and many more legendary personalities of music have contributed much to the field of music. Like that, the image which is on the screen, which is appeared on the screen, is also related to the music. It is a wonderful image, beautiful image. After the discussion on this image, now as pre-reading task of this lesson, I would like to ask you 4 questions which are related to the same topic of your unit number 4. These questions are on the page number 33 of your textbook. Please look at the question number 1. Have you attended such program anywhere? Dear children, now you have seen a picture, an image of music program. Like that, anywhere, if you have attended this kind of the music program, please share your ideas with your friends. And related to this second question, who is your favorite musician or singer? Everybody used to have their own choice of their own interest. I can say that my favorite singer is Lata Mangeshkar. Like that, who is your favorite musician or singer? According to your wish, you can have your own singer or musician. If we have your own favor of musician, then question number 3, why do you like him or her? What personality, what qualities you have liked of her or him? And then, which is your favorite song? This is the world of music. This is the world of songs. Nowadays, we can use song everywhere, anywhere in the mobile. I can say that Ye Mere Watan Ke Logo is my favorite song. Like that, you can share your ideas related to your favorite song with your friends. If you share these 4 questions, if you share these 4 ideas with your friends, this will enhance your language effectiveness, language learning. Dear children, definitely after going through these 4 questions, you will come to know somewhat about music and musicians. In India, the music field is very vast. Greatest legendary personalities have contributed much to the music field. Out of them, as their representatives, only 2 great musicians like M.S. Subbulakshmi and Lata Mangeshkar. These 2 great musicians' life and achievement is given as the text, is given as the unit, is given as the lesson of your textbook, your syllabus. The name of the lesson is 2 great musicians. I repeat, the name of the lesson is 2 great musicians. The 2 great musicians' life story and achievement is given as the part of your textbook. I repeat, number 1 is Subbulakshmi and number 2 is Lata Mangeshkar. As the part number 1, now we would like to discuss on M.S. Subbulakshmi. Dear children, please look at the image. You can see the image of the greatest legendary personality of M.S. Subbulakshmi. Dear children, I repeat the same, that after the completion of the lesson, definitely you will get a deeper idea regarding music. Do you know, children, what is music? Music is not only a field. Music is a science. Music is an art. Music is a psychology. Music is a medicine. Music is good for health. Music is pleasure for life. It gives strength to our life. It enhances our concentration. It is overall good for a joyful living. Now, I feel honored to discuss on the music field and the greatest musician of India. Dear children, please look at the text. The online communique of the then President K.R. Narayanan, that the President is pleased to award the Bharata Ratna to M.S. Subbulakshmi, was greeted by doyens of Indian music. Dear children, then President K.R. Narayanan, he has greeted M.S. Subbulakshmi over phone as she had awarded as Bharata Ratna. Dear children, do you know what is Bharata Ratna? Bharata Ratna is the highest civilian award of India. Of course, she was in fact the first musician to be awarded this distinction. From 1947 to 1998, M.S. Subbulakshmi is the first to get this award as a musician. When the President K.R. Narayan, Mr. K.R. Narayanan, spoke to her over the phone before making the announcement, eyewitness said that M.S. Subbulakshmi was rendered speechless. Bharata Ratna award is the highest civilian award of India, getting Bharata Ratna Award for the contribution of music field, M.S. Subbulakshmi was rendered speechless. She was unable to express her happiness because behind this happiness there was sadness. Just before 2 months she had lost her husband, Mr. Tyagaraja Sadashivam, who was a freedom fighter. In this sadness, this happy news had come to her, so that she was in the mixture of joy and happiness. M.S. Subbulakshmi has got Bharata Ratna Award. I repeat, M.S. Subbulakshmi is the first musician to get Bharata Ratna Award. She has got this award in the year 1998 when India was celebrating its 50th year of independence celebration. On this event, really it was a greatest happy news to the field of music of Indians. When M.S. Subbulakshmi has awarded Bharata Ratna, the renowned famous vocalist Pandit Jasraj, he has expressed his opinion that the event was a moment of glory for classical music in the golden jubilee year of India's independence. Please, I request the children note the words of Pandit Jasraj. What Pandit Jasraj expressed. The event was a moment of glory for classical music in the golden jubilee of Indian independence. See, when M.S. Subbulakshmi has awarded Bharata Ratna, one more famous popular vocalist musician Pandit Jasraj expressed his joy by saying this. It is not only awarded to M.S. Subbulakshmi, but it is the award to the whole classical music of India. That kind of the greatest joy was behind the words of Pandit Jasraj. Doyen of Carnatic music. Doyen in the sense the person who worked much in the field. Carnatic music Doyen Semanagudi Srinivas Iyer also expressed his joy over award. He said that the music world and Tamil Nadu both have been honored by the decision of government. See, it is not only awarded to M.S. Subbulakshmi, it is awarded to the whole music world as well as Tamil Nadu. M.S. Subbulakshmi was born on 16 September 1916. Please go through the birth day and year of M.S. Subbulakshmi. I repeat, dear children, underline the word. M.S. Subbulakshmi was born on September 16, 1916, and she gave her first recital at the tender age of only 10. Look at the age of number 10. When she was a small child of only 10 years, she has sung very melodiously without any confusion, without any stage fear in a wedding of a friend, family friend in Madurai. She has shown her interest in the music field from the root side, from the beginning of her life. Dear children, in India, the music field is very vast. Hindustani, Carnatic music are more popular. When she was singing at the age of 10, how she was? She was perfect in technical mastery. There was perfection in the tones variation. Her practice was ceaseless. There was no tension. There was no fear at all. She was constant self-appraisal at the time of her singing. The reflection of her ability was showing on that music art. Gradually, M.S. Subbulakshmi developed her music skills and showed her talent in the music all over India. M.S. Subbulakshmi was the first recipient of Sangeeta Kalanidhi, a title, the first one who popularized in Carnatic music in North India and in the West. She has got award of Sangeeta Kalanidhi title for her contribution in Carnatic music. And dear children, once Mahatma Gandhi ji requested her to sing his favorite bhajan for him. M.S. Subbulakshmi sang bhajan for Mahatma Gandhi ji and won many hearts of the function. Dear children, do you know M.S. Subbulakshmi is called as Nightingale of India in the Carnatic music. I repeat, Nightingale of India of Carnatic music is M.S. Subbulakshmi. He was awarded Bharat Ratna, highest civilian award of India, in the year 1998, when India was celebrating its golden jubilee of its freedom, its independence. The greatest soul, the greatest personality, legendary personality of music, M.S. Subbulakshmi, has breathed her last on 11th December 2004 at Chennai. Due to age factor, M.S. Subbulakshmi breathed her last on December 11, 2014 at Chennai. Dear children, see the lifetime of M.S. Subbulakshmi. Before breathing her last, what kind of the contribution she has given. As a brief, now we will have a glance on her life. She was born on 28th She was born on 16 September 1916. After the completion of this lesson, dear children, now we will go for the glossary. Please look at the words communique, C-O-M-M-U-N-I-Q-U-E. Communique is nothing but official intimation. The President K.R. Narayanan officially intimated to M.S. Subbulakshmi regarding her award. It is called as communique. Please is nothing but willing, agreeable, gratification, happiness. Doyen is nothing but the most experienced member in a field. The word distinction is related to difference. Number 5, rendered speechless. M.S. Subbulakshmi, when he heard that she had been awarded Bharat Ratna, how was her expression? It was renderly speechless. Surprise, then tinged. Of course, she was happy for getting Bharat Ratna, but just before 2 months she had lost her husband. Shaded. Prominent, nothing but distinguished. Conferred is nothing but granted, honored. She had conferred with the title Bharat Ratna. She was granted, she was honored with Bharata Ratna. Renowned is nothing but famous, popular. Glory is nothing but importance. Recite, sing. M.S. Subbulakshmi recited her first song at the age of 10, like that it is given in the lesson. Effortless, easily, without any fear. Ceaseless, without stopping. Then, restraint, calm and sensible. Constant, regular. Self-appraisal, self-evaluation. Blending, mixing. Initiative, sixth sense. Recipient, receiver. Accolades, praise or admiration. She has been praised, admired by many great legendaries for getting highest civilian award of India. By this, dear children, we have discussed on M.S. Subbulakshmi in brief. Now, we will go through the homework part of the day's session. Dear children, on base of this lesson, now you need to work at home. Please look at these 5 questions. Please write it down, and later you write the answers and come again tomorrow at the same time with the answers as the evaluation part. Please look at the question number 1. Who was the first musician to be awarded Bharata Ratna? Dear children, while discussing on M.S. Subbulakshmi, we have discussed that who is the first woman to get Bharata Ratna award. Please write down the answer. In which year was M.S. Subbulakshmi awarded Padma Bhushan? Dear children, before getting Bharata Ratna award, M.S. Subbulakshmi also awarded Padma Bhushana. Please write down the year when M.S. Subbulakshmi got Padma Bhushana. Question number 3. Where was M.S. Subbulakshmi born? M.S. Subbulakshmi born in Tamil Nadu. Please write down the answer. When did M.S. Subbulakshmi give her first recital? Already we have discussed that in the childhood only. She has given her first recital in her friend's marriage at Madurai. When? You need to mention her age of at that time. Question number 5. When did M.S. Subbulakshmi pass away? When she had her last breath. We have discussed already, and please go through this. Dear children, after writing these 5 questions, now you need to write down 2 more answers. Read the following statements and answer the following questions, like that it is given. Question number 1. The event was a moment of glory for classical music. It is the words of someone. Already we have discussed that. This is said by someone. You need to pick out, you need to find out who said this. Question number 1. You need to write. Then you should say who was said it to. Question B. Who was it said to? To whom it is said. Question 3. When was it said? When it was said. Question D. Why was it said so? Pandit Jasraj has expressed his opinion when M.S. Subbulakshmi has awarded highest civilian award. So, what are the emotions? Who said to whom it was said, when it was said, you need to write all. Then, dear children, the last part of the today's session, the music world and Tamil Nadu have been honored. Who said this? You should write. Who does this statement refer to? This statement refers to whom? And when this statement was made, you need to write all this. I repeat, children, 5 questions and 2 extract with the statements is given as the part of your homework, and I hope that all of you will take down or taken down these questions, and I request again to all the children to write and come the answers of these questions by tomorrow, and before continuation of the second part of the same lesson, first we need to discuss on the homework part and clarify the questions, and then we can go for the continuation part. Okay, children? By this I conclude the present session, which is related to unit number 4. The title of the lesson is Two Great Musicians. By this I conclude today's session. Bye bye, children.
ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ, ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, teacher. Present, ma'am.